Hey, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative, and thanks for joining me today. We're talking about adding a little extra security measure to a sliding glass door that you might have on your patio. And today we've got one here like this uh, that's on a patio that's facing out to a pool. I think you can probably see that. And one of the things that I'm trying to do is just to make it to where someone couldn't easily jostle this lock from the outside and then be able to slide this door open. And you can do this with anything that you have, but what I did was took a piece of half-inch scheduled 40 PVC pipe like you use in an irrigation system, and you can get these at your big box stores. And I think they sell them in 6, 8, and 10-foot sticks, but you may not want to buy that much. You can go buy, I think it's a 4-foot section, and then cut it down to size. So what you want to do is take your tape measure and measure the distance here between where the edge of the door is and on the other side where the door jamb is right there. And you want to cut your piece of pipe to fit down in this track right here. And that's what I've already done here. So now if this door was unlocked and someone was trying to jimmy it from outside, they couldn't go ahead and get this open very easily. Now, to cut this, it's fairly simple if you decide to go this route. You can use an irrigation cutting tool like this to cut the pipe with. Or if you don't have that, a simple hacksaw will do, like one of these, or even one like this will do that's fairly inexpensive. What I decided to do, because we have a pool out there and we occasionally have our grandchildren out, and I don't want, especially the smaller ones, to be able to run up to this door, flick this door open, and be able to open this and run out there. Granted, they may not be old enough or tall enough to reach this handle yet and do that, but what I did was got on Amazon and found these little clips, and they're just kind of see-through, if you will. I think it came in a package of 4, and I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in doing this. But here they are again, and they come. I think they're 4 to a pack, and they have little self-adhesive strips that you put on the back of them. And then what I did is I took a lens cleaning wipe. You could take just a little bit of alcohol and a cotton swab or something, and I cleaned the surfaces on each side of the door where I wanted to add this. So if I'm not using my lock down here like this, or my stick, I'm going to take it and simply put it up here where I mounted these little clips on each side and just kind of lay it in place like that. And what that's going to do is if this door is unlocked, toddler or someone is standing here, they still can't open this door to get out. And it's fairly easy to take this in and out, and it doesn't look that bad. You can leave it in place if you want to, like that. If you're going to go the PVC Schedule 40 pipe route, you can find this stuff that doesn't have the painting on it or the labeling on it like this, and you can even get this stuff in different colors. Maybe your door is not white like this one to match your door. But if you don't want to do this and you want to add that extra measure of security like I was showing you down below in that track, use an old broom handle or a dowel or a stick or something like that, just to make it simple and just to add an extra security measure. And then one additional thing that I wanted to show you on doors like this, and a lot of people don't know this, when this door is installed, it has a little keeper, a little security keeper on it. And it's up here in the top of the jamb above where the door rests when the door is closed. And it just snaps in place, in and out of place like that. It's just a little simple piece of plastic. But you always want to make sure that this is in place in a door like this, because what this does, it snaps into place When this door is over here in this area like this in the locked position, if they were able to get this unlocked, it prevents someone from being able to lift this door up in this track and then slide it out of the track and get in that way. Just some simple extra security tips. Granted, if somebody wanted to get in bad enough, they could probably just break this glass and come on in. But this would be a deterrent to maybe slow them down. So thanks for checking us out today. Be sure and leave some comments down below in the comments section, and I'll put some other links and useful tips to the tools that I showed you today and where to get these little clear clips on Amazon if you're interested.